So, fashion forward, it's hot or not. The trends come and go, and they come back again. But do we know what's trending from what's outdated? One of our favorite designers, Ayana Dixon, is going to put me to the test. Well, put all of us watching to the test, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that's out of fashion sometimes. Ayana, good morning.
Good morning.
You look like you went out last night.
Kinda, yeah.
And you're going out after this too?
No, I have work to do after this.
So it's carnival season, and you're getting ready, you're getting people ready.
Right.
You do a lot of alterations. Talk about the outfits that you've seen so far this season.
This season, well, I mean, it's soca season, so, you know, everybody's wearing comfortable things, shorts, crop tops, you know, sneakers, sandals, and the women are coming out and they're looking amazing.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, the guys are looking good too, but, you know, the girls are bringing it.
It's almost like soca isn't about men at all, it's just women.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah, mostly.
You're wearing shorts Sunday?
Of course.
Yeah. So we're looking at trends that were back and trends that are now.
Right.
I'm going to get 2 pictures.
Right, and you're going to choose.
I'm going to choose, okay.
Yes.
But you're going to have to talk to me about them, you know.
All right, no problem.
All right, so the first one is
Color
coloring.
Color blocking.
Color blocking.
Right.
Okay. So what?
So you think it's a current trend, or you think that's
No, man, that's current, man.
that's current?
Yes.
That's actually not.
Wait, you say you can't tell me yet.
Oh, sorry.
So, fashion forward. This is color blocking as well.
No, this is fuchsia. So fuchsia is that hot pink color. That's
Okay.
like, I can't tell you.
You can't tell me off here.
Well, it's really, really trending right now. So
this is trending. So
yes.
this was old.
No, this is current.
Oh, this is current. So the one before.
Right. So this is hot. This is hot.
So this is hot.
But the other one was not really.
And that's old.
Yeah.
That did say earlier, man. What that's?
Right? Well, you see.
Yeah, but that's the thing with trends, though.
Right. You don't necessarily have to follow the trends,
Yeah.
right? The most important thing, I think, is to have your own unique sense of style.
Okay.
And incorporating whatever trends if you love it, if you love it, wear it.
Okay.
Because it's going to look good once you have it on and you're rocking it with confidence.
And what's the next one?
The next one, let's see if you can figure it out.
Emerald.
Wait.
You think that's popular?
She said producer said wait for the 2 pictures.
Okay, so that's.
Okay.
I thought I got them side by side. All right. So this rainbow is current.
All right.
That is current.
That's current?
Yes.
And what do you think about the emerald?
This is current too.
No, actually.
Really?
This is last season. So this is last year, spring, summer.
What do you mean last? So last season of current?
Last year, spring, summer?
But rainbow, yeah man, rainbow ugly, Sakina rainbow ugly.
Well,
rainbow.
well, that's what's trending internationally.
Rainbow.
Is not?
Not. Not happening.
Well, you know what it is? It's like the international trend. So this is what's current for spring, summer 2018.
Yeah.
And that's what you're going to start seeing a lot of in stores.
Where do you wear these things to?
Carnival. Carnival. I mean, one of the outfits look like it could be a work suit. I don't know.
Which work?
The one.
Which work? Work at home. Work from home. You go to the road and be start follow you
and stuff like that. You know, fashion forward.
Yeah.
You never know.
They can't even watch. Do trends really go out of style?
Some trends, yes. Thankfully, for
Yeah.
some of them. But typically, every season they have a new trend. So that's spring, summer, that's autumn, winter, and then you have fall and pre-fall, and you have pre-spring or resort. So internationally in the fashion scene, you have trends for 4 seasons, 4 times a year.
Wow.
Yeah, so if you want to keep up with the trends, the international trends, I do find though that locally we have our own set of trends that don't necessarily
Follow the seasons.
well, not following the seasons, but also not necessarily following the international trends that they have. So some of them trickle down to Jamaica, but we kind of have our own little culture. Like African print is very popular, and those things are not necessarily internationally popular.
Yeah, so you speak about internationally popular. What about our trends?
Our trends.
Yeah. Which one of our trends you think is hot right now?
Well, I love African print. Especially, right.
Yeah.
Wakanda forever,
Forever.
right? But I just love to see girls, especially in carnival
me too,
season,
me
where
too.
they're wearing like these little crop tops and short outfits that that's hot. Exactly. Yeah, those are my favorite. That's my favorite for sure.
I think though, in terms of men though, and we spoke about this before, there's not much for us when it comes to trends. Why?
I mean,
Jeans,
ripped
and ripped jeans is probably 2008 or something.
ripped jeans are still like wash ripped jeans.
So it's one of
summer.
those. It's one of those trends that
Consistent.
stay consistent.
Yes. You want to go to the next two or
Yeah.
not?
Next two, I have one more. Actually, I have one more.
All right.
80s puff,
How you feel about that?
geometric prints. Okay,
Which one is hot now?
geometric prints, hot now.
Nah.
Ah.
That's actually. Yeah.
So wait, go back to the puffs.
So that's what's coming in right now. The 80s inspired puff. That's what's currently internationally trending. You're gonna see a lot more puff sleeve clothing, and yeah, the geometric prints are actually, I think it's 2 years ago
Wow.
that was trending.
I think it's gonna stay in 2 years ago as well because but this puff thing, I can't really go beach and them thing and them something.
No, definitely.
Yeah, she look like a balloon.
She
or-
does. For sure. Can't go in the car.
She can't come in my car with that because she not gonna fit. Who else gonna come in the car? Yeah. All right, designer Ayana Dixon and does cups as well.
Yes.
Got a cup for her.
Yes, you did.
Masakina. It's your cup,
It
ma'am.
was your call.
Stay with us. We're getting real with Bella Blair after the break.